All right, so the approval on the Nissan was just solder the wires together that somebody else rigged up.
So first, what you want to do is you want to take off your electrically taped together wires.
There is no twisting wires together in auto repair. This isn't 1950 and 60.
No.
Can't get away with it. The circuit
I'm
continuity
Like,
cannot have any resistance in it or it just jacks up everything. Let alone the moisture that's getting in there and the wires moving back and forth.
or like
Everything, just
anything
everything.
like
Let
that.
alone everything else that's wrong with this car.
Yeah.
So all the customer would like us to do today is do that, and I said, I don't guarantee anything. You have a problem, we're not married.
Just slip it over. Come, you twist them together. Make sure you got a decent bit on both sides.
I'm gonna tell you, this guy is not the guy who did this. This is the cheap guy.
Oh yeah. Then you just slide it over. I like to twist as I slide.
Price for the mass airflow sensor, and that's $400.
Yeah.
Yep, and the car should get a reflash also. So it's $250 for the reflash. Mass airflow sensor from Nissan. Is that from Nissan? Wow.
And then what I like
Can't
to
use aftermarket. Has to be that
what
way.
I like to do is just I start in the middle and then I go out and get the sides all done and soldered and
I don't
down,
charge a whole lot to put it in.
shrink
like
down,
25
and then I
bucks.
go to the middle, move farther
And
away, and
plus the
light
reflash.
flame till you see it start to bubble out, and then you got solder. That's not going to completely disappear, so don't heat it up till that disappears, because then you're kind of screwed. See?
I was just telling Jude, this customer who's driving this car didn't do this to his car. This was a cheap guy.
Yeah.
This was the cheap guy.
Yep. And just
you want me
last
in one or
connector. Done.
Put it on.
Then you're done. Then you have a nice solder and shrink wrapped
A professional job. How about that?
connectors right there. Crazy.
Double shrink.
Oh,
Butt
yeah.
connectoring cars together, twisting. I've seen wire,
Wire
nuts.
nuts.
I've seen so much garbage.
I've seen wired nuts too. The Ranger.
It's nauseating. And definitely I'm sizing up the customer. Like, this dude is not watching a YouTube video on how to do that.
Oh no. Well, when I had my Ranger, it had wire nuts on it, and guess what caught on fire in the engine bay? The wire nuts.
You're nuts.
The good thing I can say about this car
Air
is
filter
clean.
was clean.
That's the only good thing I can say. And the good thing is that now that a real mechanic worked on the wire harness, that I would hope that he doesn't have any issues with his intermittent stall, but this is as far as his bank account took him today.
Yep.